All right. I've had a couple people ask me how the tractor repair has gone since I posted it a few weeks ago. And as you can expect, life gets in the way. So it's been a bit getting to it between waiting for parts and actually working on it. But we finally got there. So to bring you up to speed on what's happened, a couple winters ago, the key in the ignition broke off in the ignition because it was a flimsy, dinky little thing that once it got cold, you can imagine how brittle it became. And the tractor has a preheat to it. So when you would turn it to the one side to preheat it and then turn it to start it, that was how you got it going. But the problem was that ignition would get cold and frozen, so you would turn it and then it broke off. And this is how we had to start it. So using the screwdriver method was fine for a couple of winters, but it slowly started to wear down the metal in the ignition itself. And then this year I ran into a problem where it had worn down so much that the tractor didn't know when it was off. I would turn it to the off position, but it was worn so much that it would actually stay running. The problem with that was I'd have to stall it to shut it off, and then it killed the battery because it just stayed in the accessory position. So that was a bit of a pain. So I had to swap out the ignition, which we got done. Ignition, there is the new keys, much more substantial, much more heavy duty than what was there. Preheat, lights all work. I'm not going to start it because I'm not sitting on it, but project got done. So because I'm not very good at the how-to thing on these videos, it at least got done. It's in one piece. It starts, it runs. I can turn it off, turn it on. So it's all good. We got her done. That's all that matters. And I got it done in July and August instead of December, or in our case, October, when we get our first snowfall and it's -30. So it's at least done now ahead of winter. So